Hi, my name is Rick Crank. I've been coming here for a little over 2 years now. And the reason I came was because I was having such a tremendous pain in my back and my chest, so I couldn't figure out if it was back or chest. Had numbness in my fingers, had pains in my neck, and nobody could figure out what it was. So I came to Dr. Barnes. After one session, I kid you not, after one session, I felt a difference, and I felt better ever since. And I preach his name and this business to everybody that will listen. And I thank you for all that you've done to me, because I truly and sincerely believe that you saved my life.